Hello, welcome back. Also, happy October. We are at the start of one of my favorite crafting seasons of all time, and I'm going to show you why with today's project. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a basic skull from the dollar store and turn it into something that looks like it cost so much more. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is prep your skull surface. Remove any stickers and residue, I use Goo Gone, and then sand. Sanding gets rid of those plastic imperfections, but scuffing up the surface will also help your paint to stick. Wipe clean and then you're ready to paint. For this project, you'll need a primer, spray paint in black and bone, and then a granite effect spray. I actually ended up painting a few skulls at the same time, so I lined them up outside and then went in with a coat of primer. Priming a plastic surface is so key if you want these to last season after season, so don't skip this step. Once dry, you can go back in with color. Because of the shape of the skull, you'll need to paint one side, let dry fully, and then flip over and repeat the process on the back. I know it sounds like a little bit of a pain, but it really is the best way to make sure the entire surface has been painted. For the final touch and to really elevate your skulls, spray with a granite spray. You'll want to spray in small bursts from a distance until the surface is covered. This will help them feel like a fancy stone instead of something that you picked up from a dollar store. And that's all there is to it. These skulls are so easy to make, and it really is an affordable way to decorate for Halloween. Display on books with dried florals and tapered candles for a spooky yet polished look. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. I will be back next week with another fun Halloween DIY.